and welcome to my very first Clean With Me video. And today we're going to be tackling the kitchen. It was a bit of a mess. It was a Saturday morning after a big Friday night, so there was a lot to do. First thing I'm doing here is making my DIY cleaner. I fill half the spray bottle with white vinegar and then about a quarter of rubbing alcohol, and then I fill the rest with water. Oh, and that's a couple of drops of dish soap as well. So this cleaner you can use on everything. You don't want to use it on natural stone, so don't use it on granite or marble. But apart from that, you can use it on anything. It's great for windows and glass as well. So I start off by just getting the dishwasher loaded. You can see my dogs love to help with the dishwasher. I'm sure if I let them, they'd clean the dishes for me, but I try and shoo them away. That's some leftover grated carrot from the night before, so I just gave it to my daughter to go and take to our chickens, because I try not to throw out any food waste. We try and give it to our pet chickens instead. There was a few dishes that wouldn't fit in the dishwasher, and rather than just leaving them sitting around, I'm going to hand wash them just to get them done. There you can see I've got all my oils and salt and pepper and everything on a little pedestal. I like that because when I'm cleaning the counters, I can just move the whole thing out the way. I don't have to move each thing individually. So I'm using my multi-purpose spray, that's the vinegar and rubbing alcohol mixture, with a microfiber cloth. And I have a whole stack of microfiber cloths. So I just use a new one every day and then throw them in the washing machine. I find they clean better than paper towels, and it's much better than using a bunch of paper towels. Here I'm putting a cup of just plain water into the microwave for 3 minutes, and so then that's going to start boiling and steam, and then that loosens any baked on dirt or food in the microwave, so it makes the microwave easier to clean. Here I use an abrasive cleaner to clean the stove. It's for ceramic stoves. Just putting the cup of hot water in the microwave just for a little bit longer. And now it's all finished. I pour the hot water down the sink. That helps clean the sink a little as well. And now everything's soft and warm in there. It's easy to wipe it all down and clean out the microwave and get rid of any dried on food. everything is clean, I am tackling the sink. The sink's always pretty much the last thing I clean in the kitchen because you're going to keep going back to it. I also put my sink sponge, my yellow sponge, in the microwave for a few minutes. It was damp, and then I put it in the microwave, and then that just kills any bacteria or anything on the sponge, so it just makes it a bit more hygienic. And the very last thing is the floors. So I'm just giving them a quick vac with my Dyson. And I like to use a microfiber mop. You can change out the head, so I'm putting a fresh mop head on. And again, I just use my multi-purpose cleaner. I spritz the floor, and then I just push the mop around, and the floors are clean. If you have ground in dirt or anything, you can spray a little bit extra and let it sit for a few minutes. But I like this, and the alcohol and vinegar in the mixture means it dries very quickly, so even though, as you see, the dogs are walking on the wet floor, it's not soaking wet. And I'm done! So thanks for joining me, and remember to like and subscribe so you can see my next Clean With Me video.